गांव वाला पुल फिर से नया बनवाया था गया बड़ा पुल लगभग जाने के बाद पानी ऊपर से चल रहा है मतलब इसी से गांव वाला पुल फिर से नया बनवाया था गया बड़ा पुल लगभग जाने के बाद पानी ऊपर से चल रहा है मतलब इसी से गांव वाला पुल फिर से नया बनवाया था गया बड़ा पुल लगभग जाने के बाद पानी ऊपर से चल रहा है मतलब इसी से
अरे सारे पीछे चलो पीछे सारे पीछे चलो पीछे चलो सारे
No, we were in the middle of a press briefing and a media briefing at the National Media Center here. And suddenly I received an urgent message from the leader of opposition in J&K Assembly, who also happens to be the local MLA from that region in Kishtwar. He was quite upset and quite in panic, and he conveyed to me that there has been a massive cloud burst in the area which he represents, which also happens to be possibly the route of the very popular Machel Yatra, which takes place over there during this part of the year. And the cloudburst is of a massive scale, which could possibly lead to a substantial casualty, which has not yet been worked out. As immediately we got in touch with the district administration, and the district administration was also at a loss because it had taken everybody by surprise. They have already started moving towards the site, because the site is also difficult as far as the topography and the geographical situation and geographical location is concerned. The rescue teams have already swung into action. Very soon we'll get more details. My office, me, we are all in touch with each other. But every possible assistance will be provided, whatever required, even including the medical management. And if there are certain injured who need to be shifted out, the administration will also make arrangements of airlifting through the helicopter, which is of course subject to the weather conditions. We'll keep you updated also. They are working out. It will be too premature to share that, but we will share.